Hello dear friends, in this lesson I will teach you how to apply colors on smudge painting, and how to create background. So today we will going to learn the final touch-up of our digital smudge painting, so let's start. First make a duplicate copy and apply layer mask. Trust me, nobody will teach you like this. Make sure your foreground color is black and background color is white respectively. Select gradient tool, select the layer mask and apply the gradient as I'm doing. Now select the brush tool. Make sure opacity is 100%. And hardness is 0%, use soft round brush. Paint over the sharp edges to hide them or to make them smooth. I hope you'll be understanding what I'm going to do. Just watch and try to understand. If you don't want to make like this, there is also another way and I will teach you about that in other tutorial. Because this is a basic course, so I am telling you the basic things first, but we will also learn the advanced techniques in future tutorials. Why I'm doing this? Because I want to blend the image with its background. Okay, now I'm happy with this. Let's place this image in the center of the canvas. Now we will create a background for this image. Today I'll tell you a basic way, but in future I'll tell you how to create abstract backgrounds for portraits, especially for smudge paintings and for digital arts. First I'm taking a solid color. You can choose any color, but I will pick his shirt color and make it little dark. And I will apply some more colors on new layer. You can apply any color, there is no limit or restrictions on colors. Do experiments with different colors, it's totally up to you. You can make simple background in solid color, and you can also use gradient. You can download from internet, or you can apply the abstract background. In my upcoming tutorials I will tell you how to make abstract backgrounds for smudge paintings, and in future we will also do work on female faces. The basic course for smudge painting will be complete today with this lesson. Please do practice, watch this short lessons again and again to understand. Keep applying different colors until you like the final result. Trust me guys, I'm telling you honestly, for me this is a very tough job to choose a perfect background. Sometimes it takes more than 30 minutes to choose the final background. Okay, I'm happy with this.
Now we will add some colors on his face, hair, and shirt.
You can choose and apply any color according to your choice. There are two methods to apply colors, I show you both quickly. The first method is gradient. Choose two different colors as your foreground and background colors to make gradient. Select the gradient tool and inverse the colors if you want to do. Then press and hold the Ctrl key and click at the thumbnail of your image to activate the selection. Then select the gradient tool and fill the selection with gradient. Deselect the selection. Now change its blend mode to color. Decrease the opacity according to your choice. Then apply the layer mask. Select the mask and invert by pressing the Ctrl+I from your keyboard. Then select your brush tool and make sure white is selected as foreground color. You can set the flow and just paint over the image to apply color. Now I tell you the second method. Create a new layer and change its blend mode from normal to color. Then take your brush tool. Pick any color that you want, decrease the flow and opacity. Activate the image selection to limit the color's border. The good thing I like in smudge paintings, there is no any limits of color or any restrictions, you are not bound, you can choose any color. You can play with different colors, do experiments, and this is all non-destructive because you are working on a blank layer, so you can delete the whole layer at any time in case of any disliking, and you can change the color selection at any time. I will suggest you to apply colors on different layers for different areas. By doing this you can change the color of any area at any time. So I will stop here, but you can add more colors. By watching these 6 lessons, you can become a professional by doing practice continuously. Watch these lessons again and again to understand, so here I will give you a quick recap from class number 1. First, take a high-resolution image. Remove the background with the help of pen tool. If you don't know how to use the pen tool, you can find my tutorial link in the video description. Apply high pass filter or use unsharp filter to enhance the details. Apply camera raw filter for more mandatory adjustments. Select the smudge tool, adjust the threshold according to described instructions and apply on face. Smudge the eyebrows and enhance the detail of eyes. Smudge the hair with the special brush. You can find the smudge brush link in the video description. Smudge the dress and apply layer mask. Again apply the camera raw filter to enhance the details. Apply the dodge. Apply the burn. Apply colors to enhance the beauty. Apply layer mask to blend the image with the background. At the end, add background to finish the painting. I hope you will learn from my tutorials. For any query or question you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching.